If you're looking for a rodent repellent, this product may be right for you. It is a box that has electronics that will scare away mice. Let me show you what you get inside. I want to get away from the car because the siren and the beeping is going to scare you away. This has lights all over with a number, and it will deterrent rats. Mice and rodents, squirrels, cats, they all get around and inside the car. And you have this deterrent that you're going to find a spot. We're given a USB-A and a special DIN plug that simply plugs into the device. It takes also 3 AA batteries. You could put some in there. And you have the hard wire and the plug adapter in the back over here. Placing the module correctly. On the positive red lead, we have a fuse and a ground. And we simply come over to the battery and we connect up. We come to the ground and we connect up. We turn the unit on and we're good to go. We are set up to number 1. And we're all set. We hit the gear. We set up number 2 and we can hit the gear. So number 1, we're scaring the mice away. Many possible ways to hook up solar powered, power banks, and more. When pressing on this button here and you're on number 1, you are on vehicle mode. And when you come here and press number 2, you are in indoor mode. So we are in the vehicle. We keep it on vehicle mode. This is known as a gear adjustment. You can see the lights and the deterrent of the vehicle. Now a rat. And that is a rat repellent deterrent device.